So in an effort to improve the quality of my videos, I decided to invest in a better microphone. In all of the videos up to this day, I've been using my lapel microphone, which is right here. And this microphone is decent, it picks me up well, but its sound quality, like the frequencies, are a little bit off. And also, it can make noise if I ruffle around or anything like that. It's definitely better than, say, the webcam's microphone or the microphone on my computer or laptop. So my lapel microphone was only like 30 bucks and its quality is acceptable. However, since I'm getting more serious about recording YouTube videos, I decided to invest a little money into a better microphone. And it can be challenging deciding where to spend your money. And I don't know that I have made the right decision, but I had seen this microphone a few times. This is the Elgato Wave 3. And so it's a microphone that will just sit on my desk and I can just talk. And it's supposed to pick up just your voice and kind of dampen the background noise around you. We're going to unbox it and we're going to plug it in and actually switch from the lapel microphone over to the Elgato microphone. And we're just going to see what the difference is. So we're going to need some scissors. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, it's a box inside a box. I love it. Oh dear. I ripped. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, normally you'd open this on a flat surface and I didn't. So everything's flying everywhere. Okay, so we have this. What is this? I think this is the USB cord. Yep, it is. It looks like it connects with Type-C. And then there's just the typical USB, which is nice because I can plug that in. I believe that this is a 6-foot cord. Yeah, I would say that's probably a 6-foot cord. All right, let's see what else we got. This is the actual microphone. They've mummified it. Oh yeah, check that out. That is very nice looking. The base is nice and heavy, and it's got some padding on the bottom too. Yeah, this is big. It's big. Oh, I'll compare it to a large McDonald's drink. Does that give you some ideas to the size of this thing? So my understanding is that when you're talking into it, the actual microphone is here. As long as your voice is hitting it, it should be good. The USB connection is on the back, and there's also a headphone port, which I thought was really interesting. The button on the front, you can click it, and I'm pretty sure that that probably controls the gain. But when we plug it in, we'll find out, right? So we're going to switch over to this microphone. I'm going to unplug this lapel microphone and I'm going to switch over to this. Let's give it a shot. Okay, we have switched over to the Elgato microphone and I will prove that by removing this thing, which has like a crocodile on it. That's unplugged. We're now on the Elgato. Instantaneously, it just sounds like it's picking up things much more clearly. Like I feel like my voice sounds more normal. It definitely sounds more tinny with the lapel microphone. To give you some idea, it is about 12 inches away from my mouth, but I'm not speaking down to it. I'm looking at the webcam and recording that way. I've got the volume set about halfway on the mic setting. When you press the button, it actually switches between the microphone, the headphones, and then what I think is a crossover. The crossover is a mix between the microphone sound and the computer's sound. On the computer, you have the option to actually use this microphone's headphone jack as a sound card, and you can have all of your sound come out there, which that's pretty cool. I'm probably not going to use it in that capacity, but that's fine. A nice feature that it has. So yeah, I mean, I haven't used this microphone for very long, but I like that it's solid. I like that it has real clear audio. It was very easy to set up. It has a 6-foot USB cable, which when I plugged it in, it was nice and stiff going in there. So I think it's a high quality cable that they sent it with. You know, this obviously is not a cheap piece of junk. It is noticeably different in build quality when you compare it to, say, my lapel microphone, which it sounds obvious because this was like $150 and the lapel was less than $30. However, you know, the lapel microphone, it would be nice if it had a slightly thicker cable so that it couldn't get damaged as easily and things like that. So I think you get what you pay for. I think if you're just starting out and seeing if you like YouTube, I wouldn't invest the money in this. That seems pointless to me. I would invest the money in a lapel microphone, which you can get as a 3.5mm jack, or you can also get it as a USB-C or a lightning connector so that it can plug into your iPhone. Like, to me, that's worthwhile. That level of audio quality is beyond acceptable. I spent a while deciding whether or not I wanted to invest the money into this, and I really needed to get through that 30-day challenge before I did. And so, yeah, I would give this microphone a thumbs up at this point, where I'm just 10 minutes into using it. But, you know, if it blows up and kills me, then I'm taking that back. All right, guys, see you next time. Bye.